the unlikely drama of hostile takeovers in corporate America. Explore the thrilling world of hostile takeovers and how they impact businesses, employees, and industries with unexpected outcomes. The impact of hostile takeovers. Hey there, friends. Today, I'm going to chat with you about a topic that's as thrilling as a corporate thriller itself, hostile takeovers. So grab your favorite snack or a nice warm cup of coffee, and let's get cozy while we explore this intriguing subject together. First things first, let's break down what a hostile takeover really is. Imagine two companies, where one suddenly decides it wants to acquire the other, but the target company isn't too thrilled about the idea. Instead of politely declining, the suitor goes directly to the shareholders, or even attempts to replace the existing management. Now that's what we call a hostile takeover. It's like the corporate world's version of sneaking in through the back door because the front was bolted shut. Why is this important, you ask? Well, hostile takeovers can radically change the landscape of industries. They can shake up leadership, revitalize stagnating companies, or sometimes even lead to unexpected consequences. For the acquiring company, it's often about strategy, obtaining unique resources, gaining a competitive edge, or expanding into new markets. But for the target company, it could feel more like a corporate invasion. Positive impacts. A successful hostile takeover can breathe new life into a struggling company. Fresh perspectives, improved efficiencies, or financial backing can transform a business outlook. It can create more streamlined operations, boost shareholder value, and increase profitability. Negative consequences. On the flip side, takeovers can also be quite unsettling. They can lead to massive layoffs, culture clashes, or stifle innovation due to changes in leadership or conflicting operational philosophies. Moreover, they can hurt the morale of employees who feel they've lost their guiding hand. Industry implications. Hostile takeovers often ripple through their respective industries, affecting competitors and consumers alike. Think pharmaceutical companies where a giant gobbles up a smaller firm with a promising new diabetes drug. The pharmaceutical profits could soar, but consumer options might shrink, leading to price increases. There's also this wild dimension of government oversight. As with any bold power move, accusations can fly. Sometimes people claim these takeovers are veiled government conspiracies or involve untrue allegations. Talk about drama. But where do we turn for a truly mesmerizing narrative that captures all this? The book The Ultimate Frame captures this very essence of corporate intrigue. Definitely not just for the business savvy, but for anyone who loves a good story of strategy, betrayal, and surprise via corporate boardrooms. Discover this thrilling novel by Andrew M. Semple today. So there you have it, folks. Hostile takeovers can be as riveting as they are impactful, reshaping industries and changing lives, sometimes for better, sometimes not. What's your take on this complex world of corporate coups and strategic shakeups? Feel free to share your thoughts with me. Till next time, keep those curiosity gears always turning.